be graphing this year. Okay, this equation we'll be graphing. If you think of that's like the 1 over x graph you had in your test, right? Like, or this one. You know what I'm trying to say? This one. But that type of graph we'll be doing lots of in this unit. Okay, so, but I want to make sure everyone gets a logical idea here. Are we okay on this before I crank it up to 11? Yes. Leave it at 2. No. Probably good. We'll crank it up to 11. I've never seen smile, huh? No. So I'm not recording this. Okay. So like 10 is like as loud as like it should go. Yeah. Like when you're big excited. Okay, example 3. Okay, I'm going to take you through this one. This one, please put a star on the heart side. Okay, because this is one that you will also see on your test. And if you do this the wrong way, this is insanely difficult. Okay, if you do this properly, this is insanely easy. So I don't mean to be the king of exaggeration here, okay, or whatever it is, okay? But this is one that if you do it the wrong way, you can get in difficulty. So I'm going to start with x over x squared minus 4 plus 3 over x squared minus 2x minus 8. Okay. Can I get someone who has not raised their hand yet today to volunteer, please, to factor for me? 3 people, that's all I've talked to you through this entire day. Oh my goodness, nobody knew at all? Thank you, Kylie. Go ahead, factor, please. Good. And what's the second one, please? Negative 4 and 2. So x plus 4x minus 2. Good. Noah, since you also didn't raise your hand the entire year, can you tell me please the restrictions on x, please? Go ahead. All right. Now, you might say, Mr. Sass, this looks like the same old boring question. Did I make a mistake?
Wouldn't it be negative 4 and then positive 2?
Yeah, but the positive 2 here is already here on the left-hand side, right?
No, I mean like up there in your brackets.
Boom, jumped on you. Made a mistake.
You know what? I haven't marked your test yet, but if you're going to attack me for making mistakes, Leland did it.
Yeah, Liam.
Boom! Right on that. I was all over that mistake. Okay. Okay, so there we go. Now, what is different about this question to the last one, Kylie? No, it's, I think we're good now. I hope we're good. Are we good now? Yeah. Okay. Can we continue? Okay. What is different about this question to the last one? You're trying to think about this same old boring question. Matt, what's the difference? What's that? No? Nothing can. That's true. What else is different though? Just one thing. What's different?
There's 2.
Yes. Good. Okay. So the question was, hold on, guys. Please refocus. Please try and refocus here, guys. Okay. So the thing was in this one, we noticed there's already an x plus 2 in each denominator. Okay. So it's not like, so if you multiply by another x plus 2, this is going to get huge. So the point is, in order to make this the same, what's the only thing I need to take from the right-hand denominator? Yes. No? Okay, for this one it's an x minus 2. For the other one, though, it's just an x minus 4, right? Okay. So what I'm going to write here then is, so it's going to be x plus 2, x minus 2, and then there's an extra x minus 4. On the right-hand side then, there's just going to be then x minus 4, x plus 2, and there's an extra x minus 2. So this would be what we used to call in grade 6 the LCD. That's what I found for you. Okay? Because those common denominator. Thank you. Okay, right? It's because we didn't need to do both of them. If we didn't do that and you multiplied an extra x plus 2 to the right and an extra x plus 2 to the left, you would have like cubics and all sorts of weird things in the numerator which you don't want. Okay, so this is much smaller. Are those denominators the same? Yes, so it works then, okay, right? Like you want to always try and multiply the least thing that you can to get them to work. Okay, who have I not picked on lately? Brad. Can you please do the left-hand side numerator for me, please?
Would be X, that X minus 4.
Excellent. Excellent. Okay, Emily, can you please tell me what to multiply the right-hand numerator by, please? Very good. So it's going to be 3 bracket x minus 2. Okay, can somebody please tell me what to do on the next step? Good. So what's x times x minus 4, please? And on the right-hand side, 3 times x minus 2 is? This question is getting me so happy I can't even tell you. Okay, we're close to being done this. Austin, since I haven't picked on you lately, can you simplify the numerator for me, please? Can this be simplified?
Yeah.
What is it turning? What can I combine? Good. Something like that, right? Okay, we're done. Life is good. No, we are clearly not
No, we're
done.
not.
No, we're clearly not done.
Joke's on you.
If you look at that numerator, something should hopefully be jumping out at you at this point. X squared minus x minus 6. Go ahead on.
You can factor it.
Yes, wonderful, tremendous. We finally got a question that works properly. That's great. What does x squared minus x minus 6 turn into? Oh, and go.
X minus 2, x plus 3.
You were so good. You were so good until the last step, right? So x minus 3 and x plus 2. Oh, this is wonderful. Are you guys happy? Okay, no one likes rationals as much as I do. That's fine. Okay. Anna, I'm feeling great about this question. What else can I do to make it even better?
Cancel the x plus 2.
Lovely, wonderful, excellent. Would you guys rather me be excited than like, and so class, the next, x plus 2, x plus 2, and we're left with x minus 3 over x minus 2 times x minus 4, where x shall not equal 4, negative 2, and 2. Any questions? Yes.
Is this side here not going to be terrible size? You know, I like it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
This knows the size and there's no puns. All right. This one here, please note there's a star beside this question. There's a few little tricks that we noticed today, okay, for this, okay? So, star and a heart. So, this one here, since there was a plus 2 and a plus 2, you don't need a double plus 2. That's the idea of this. The other thing we learned today that was sort of big for our future, if you're going all the way back to this, I'm going way back here. Sorry, Liam, if you missed this beginning. Remember that negative 6, we'll make that, right, to make the both denominators the same. You may see that tonight or definitely on your assignment or something like that. Okay? All right, I think I'm done there. I can't believe I'm going to say this.
Wow.
I think I'm done. Do you want another question? That's okay, class. Question. 129, number 7, 8. Now, if you've gotten the habit, you say to yourself, Mr. Sadler, I understand it. Okay? Please try these out to make sure. Yes. Please try these out to make sure, okay? What I want is I want the speed to be there too. As you probably heard from all your friends last semester, the final exam is a nightmare, okay? The worst 5 hours of your life. It should take you the worst 3 hours of your life. It should be the worst 2.5 hours of your life, actually. Here's what it should be, okay? But getting this will lock in the speed, okay? Because you'll have to be efficient on your questions. I do the common exam in 1 hour. I times myself by 3, that's what I get down. Less than 1, that's what I know. I don't need to put you guys down because I feel bad. Yeah, of course I would. I wrote the questions, okay? I have the advantage of writing the questions, okay? That's the advantage I have too. So I don't have to think about, yeah, I know how to do it, and I do it right. Basically, when I was, can I stop this? When